This cute look for Pride Month is so fun, it's so easy to do, and I'm going to show you how with this video. For this look, I am using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, Holo Taco's Party of One Purple, paired with Maniology's B281 Littlefoot, Holo Taco's Board Meeting, paired with Maniology's B375 Royal Blue, Holo Taco's Here for the Payday, paired with Maniology's B256 Lime Pine, Holo Taco's Butterscotch Hop, paired with Maniology's B193 Sunrise, not shown here, oops. Holo Taco's Left on Red, paired with Maniology's B189 Fireside, Starrily Magma, a magnetic top coat, Maniology's B384 Sticky Base Coat, Holo Taco's Glossy Taco, and Maniology Stamping Plate MXM087. Using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, we start by applying a base coat. After the base coat, we need base colors. A rainbow, of course, has 6 colors, but since I only have 5 nails per hand, and I want my hands to match, I've picked one color to represent both orange and yellow. So for my base colors, I am using, shown in this order, Holo Taco's Party of One Purple for purple, Board Meeting for blue, Here for the Payday for green, Butterscotch Hop for yellow and orange, and Left on Red for red. I needed 2 coats for full opacity. Depending on the length of your nails and the polishes you choose to use, you may need more or less coats to reach the same coverage. It's now time to make some magic happen. Using Starrily Magma, which is a unique magnetic top coat, apply a layer over top of each base color. Don't worry if it looks odd at first, the end result is worth it. You then use a magnetic wand to pull the magnetic particles to the edges of the nails, leaving a velvet coppery 3D effect over the nail as a whole. The beauty of this topper is that it can turn any color into a magnetic polish that looks stunning from all angles. Here's a quick look at our transformed base cremes into magnetic beauties. Big chef's kiss to this topper. Mwah! Time for nail art. Using our paired Maniology stamping polishes, I'm picking up a dripping design with a clear jelly stamper. For the fill, I am using the corresponding Holo taco polish for the pair, being as careful as possible to stay within the lines. To fill in with the polish, I've placed a drop onto the silicone paw polish palette from Maniology, so I can use a small detail brush to apply it to the stamp where I want it. I'm going to paint up a bit as well to give it some extra space. Now, using Maniology's B384 sticky base coat, I prep the nail to receive the design by painting on a coat and waiting 30 seconds for it to become tacky before applying the reverse stamp. If you still have space near the cuticle edge, you can fill in with the fill color using either the nail polish brush itself or your detailing brush, whichever is easier for you. Don't worry too much about imperfections here, as our final glossy top coat will smooth and hide a multitude of sins. Finally, I seal the entire manicure in with Holo Taco's Glossy Taco, a quick-dry top coat for maximum shine and long-lasting wear. Voila! Enjoy your manicure.